everyone, I'm Vicki from Me Time, and thank you so much for joining our unboxing for this Hoop Studio month, May. I can't wait to show you what you're gonna be creating and also the materials that you're gonna get in your box. This month is called Square Rope Tray, and this month you're going to be getting in your box your full color instructions, your content card, and your materials pack. This is going to be your materials pack, and I will show you what you are going to get. So first, because it's a square rope tray, you're gonna be getting all of the rope that you need for your project. This, if you're gonna need more, if you want more rope to make more bowls, this is something that you can also find in our website. But yes, you're gonna be getting rope, and then you create the base of your rope tray by using shapeform. So you're gonna be getting your 2 pieces of shapeform to create that base and the fabrics that will go with your project. This fabric is from our Star Spangled Beauty line, and it has like soft bows, very cute prints. And then you're going to finish your bowl by wrapping the rope in around fabric. And you're going to be doing that with our Tilda, with this Tilda fabric that we found. It's beautiful navy color, perfect for these patriotic months, right? And to finish your project with a little accent or detail, you are going to also be getting, let me see it there. You will get this bead where you can put your rope in between and then create a fun finish. You will get enough materials to create 1 tray, but you're getting extra bonus beads so that you can create more with other rope that you get. And as a bonus this month, we are also gonna give you a Hoop Studio blank USB where you can save projects and then use them on your machine. So those are the materials that you're getting this month. And this is the square rope tray that you will be creating. It is super cute, and we are so excited because this is a new shape. Rope bowls have been very, very popular. We have been seeing and following all of the different rope bowls that you have been creating. And this is going to be a new type of project where you are gonna be doing it with a square base. And then you're gonna embroider this beautiful design using these patriotic colors. And then you're gonna do your layers of rope and finish with the fabric and the bead. So that is what May is about. I can't wait to see what you will share on social media once you finalize your projects. And of course, we're gonna finalize this video with a giveaway. You will be able to win this much rope. And also, we're gonna give you usable backing and Kimberbell tape, because we can always use more tape, right? So in order to enter, you have to answer the following question. What would you put inside of this rope tray? And where would you display it at your house? Just let us know, and then you can enter to win for this giveaway. Thank you so much, and thank you for joining. Have a great day. And go and now enjoy some well-deserved me time.